Hello everyone.
The trial within a trial of Sanzumehiwa meta trial is continuing at the Pretoria High Court and things are not looking good at all. One might make a conclusion that Judge Ratha, who is presiding officer of the Sanzumehiwa meta trial, is low-key operating under the apartheid laws, especially when it comes to the suspects. He doesn't want to hear anything. Remember, a black man is always a suspect, and if you don't have money in South Africa, you will always be treated like a dog, whether you are guilty or not. After a drama ensued where the suspects were involved in a fight with police officers or wardens during adjournment, initially the judge said he won't take any actions because whatever happened, it was during adjournment and he wasn't present, so it doesn't affect the proceedings of the case, and politely asked that all the parties that are in the court should behave and practice Ubuntu. But then again, the following morning, all of a sudden things changed when Advocate Mgomezulu, who is representing accused number 1 and 2, addressed the court and said Bongani Danzi, accused number 2, is complaining about the person who's transporting him. He said he has handcuffed him, and when Danzi tried to state his reasons on why he shouldn't be handcuffed on his hands, he is an awaiting prisoner. The police said he was fighting yesterday and it's for safety reasons, even though Danzi told him that he wasn't involved. Advocate Mgomezulu told the court that he is requesting another police to transport him if he's going to be treated like this. Judge Ratha said his reason is that he doesn't want to be handcuffed because he's a waiting prisoner, and asked the criteria to Mgomezulu. Advocate Mgomezulu responded and said that if they are using iron legs, there must be a distinction between a sentenced prisoner and a waiting trial in terms of handcuffing. Judge Ratha also inquired about a bail for accused number 2, and Advocate Mgomezulu said it was denied. Judge Ratha was also concerned about safety issues, and then Mgomezulu said that the issue of safety is arising after what happened yesterday, not on the basis of bringing the suspect in court. George Baloyi said he hasn't spoken to the official and said safety comes first in court. Handcuffs are the standard procedure, and the sergeant has been transporting the accused for almost a year and a half. He can't just be replaced like that. Judge Ratha made a decision and said that the Department of Correctional Services is a different department from justice and also from a judiciary department. He doesn't have an authority to determine how the prisoners should be transported, and he doesn't have power to control correctional services on how they should enforce their services of safety precautions. And after what happened yesterday, the correctional services issued a statement on the news and advised the councils to engage with the Department of Correctional Services if they want to resolve this issue. If you remember correctly, Advocate Nisi, representing accused number 3, who was fighting with the police, stated that during breaks they normally sit like that. How he was seated, it has never been a problem when they're stretching up. People who started all this drama are wardens and police. Why didn't Judge Ratha ask if they normally sit like that in a bench? Why it wasn't addressed on the very first day when it occurred? They just wanted to provoke the suspects so that they can all look like they're just dangerous animals. Nothing else here. Even the judge himself said he won't address this because he wasn't present when the drama ensued. That is just an unpopular opinion. What's your take on this one? After that, all the accused complained about the handcuffs and they said they are not comfortable with it. Judge Ratha told the people who are responsible for them to attend at the cuffs as they normally do. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.